What's your name?
Durga, sir.
Hi Durga, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So how your day? How your day?
Nice.
Okay. So Durga, can you tell me about yourself?
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Introducing myself.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Durga.
Okay.
I am living in KPHP.
Mm-hmm.
My SSC is ZPH High School.
Mm-hmm.
My intermediate Sri Gayatri Junior College.
Mm-hmm.
I am pursuing Pratibha Degree College, BCom Computers finally.
Mm-hmm.
My hobbies is drawing, craft cut.
Okay. So Durga, how you feel about the workshop here?
Better
Better. So you want us to improve some more?
knowledge.
So you want us to improve or you want to improve?
Me only.
Okay, that's what my question. So what is the abbreviation for SDLC and STLC?
Still. Sir.
It's a software development life cycle and software test life cycle. Okay. So what is an agile workflow? Okay. So what is the role of a scrum master in the project?
Business.
Scrum master.
Scrum.
Okay. So do you know about database?
Mm.
Can you explain what is a database?
Business and
Database.
database.
Okay. So what is the full form of RCA?
Rule of
It's a root cause analysis.
root cause.
What is the difference between error and defect? Okay. So Durga, I'm done for the day. Do you have any questions for me?
Mm.
Okay. You can leave. Thank you.